Hello, welcome to this presentation. I will be showing you how to run email campaigns using the CloudBiz software. The main reason why CloudBiz enables you to run email campaigns is so that you can pitch an idea or promote your business's products or services to your prospective clients. To do that, assuming that you have successfully logged into your CloudBiz account, first thing first, we shall actually upload the campaign letterhead, and to achieve that you will need to click on the top right section of your screen, straight where your image is, and on the drop down menu select newsletter head. You click on the add letterhead button, then it will prompt you to upload letterhead image. So I will select where my image is. And so one thing you have to take note of is that when you're uploading a letterhead image, you have to make sure that its dimension is 596 by 170. So having noted that, I will go straight ahead and upload this letterhead image. The good thing with CloudBiz is that it gives you the capability of uploading as many letterheads as possible, but you can only use one letterhead at a time when running your campaigns. So to make sure that to select the letterhead that to be used, we have to activate the particular letterhead. So if you check at the status column, you'll realize that this letterhead is not active, and to activate the letterhead you will need to come straight here and click on the green button. The letterhead has successfully been activated. Then you can also see the status has changed to active. So this therefore means that whenever we send out email campaigns, this letterhead will always be attached to the emails that we send out. So having done this, the next thing we need to do is now to go through the process of running the campaigns. You click on the email campaigns on the left sidebar, then select run campaign. Running campaign, by running a campaign, it means therefore that you're actually sending multiple emails to multiple email contacts all at once. So that therefore means that we must have these contacts in place. That is why when I clicked on the run campaign link, it prompted me to actually add contacts, because this therefore means that the account I'm currently using has no contacts attached to it yet. So I'll go straight ahead and click on add contacts. It prompts me now to add a category. This is because CloudBiz enables you to sort out the emails that you're sending out, such that, for example, you are in the corporate field and you have different categories of contacts that you want to communicate to. So for example, you have the corporate contacts, you have the SMEs, for example. So you want to run a campaign to SMEs only. So this is where now it comes in, such that it will enable you to add that particular category, so that will specify the category to contact when we'll be running the actual campaign. So go straight ahead and add the category there. With CloudBiz, you can add as many categories as you want all at once. So let me say, for example, I want to add a corporate test and general categories. So when let me submit this. So we can see we have all the categories added in. So then the next thing we need to do is to add the contacts, whereby you need to click on manage contacts, still on the left side menu. Add contact. Say my name is Teddy. My phone is 2547 blah 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 blah, and my email is Teddy at companydomain.com. This is my actual email. I'm just using it to test out this. So the company, you can say your company, designation, the category. When what this means, what the category part means is that it enables you to categorize this particular contact. For example, I have three categories: test, general, and corporate. So when I click on general, it means that this contact is actually under general categories. So when I will be running campaigns for general categories, the campaign will automatically go to this contact because it is attached to that particular category. So I'll go straight ahead and submit this contact. Yeah, and so now we have it there. So if you want to upload more contacts, just click new, and it will actually guide you through the process of uploading the new contacts. One thing I want to talk about is this CSV button. What it does is, say for example, you have a big list of contacts that you want to upload to the CloudBiz, to be your CloudBiz contacts. So that is where the CSV now comes in handy. To go about that, okay, let's click on and you see what happens. Click on the CSV. You'll first need to upload the CSV upload guide. To download the CSV upload guide, okay, let's see what it has. To download the CSV upload guide, sorry. So then this is what we have. This is what has come. This is how the guide for uploading CSV actually looks like. I'll try and explain to you a bit on how to fill this form to enable you upload as many contacts as possible. So first thing first, the email marketing ID, you should always leave it as blank. The name, you can put the name of the contact that you want to upload. The email belongs to the contact you want to upload. Same to the phone number. Same to the client company. The company to whose the phone number belongs. The designation. Then the most important thing here is actually the company code. You must not leave this part blank, because this company code is what will identify these contacts as yours inside the CloudBiz software. So for example, your company code is 1234. That's that after filling the contacts here, and you come and put your company code here, the moment you upload this form back to the system will identify all these contacts as belonging to your CloudBiz account. That is, if you have put the correct company code. And the company code, it must actually cut across all the contacts. Like that, say for example, you have 12 contacts. You need to autofill the company code to be read to all the 12 contacts that will actually have uploaded to CloudBiz. You will need the date. You can leave it blank, or you can put the date and autofill. Unique ID, you can leave it blank. Then another important aspect is the ones that are pre-filled for you. We have the status. If the status reads 1, and say for example you have 15 contacts, it will therefore mean that you have to autofill this one to all the contacts that you have in your database. The same applies to 0 to the attended, 0 for attended, and the same applies also for 1 on OWN. So you must make sure that you autofill the pre-filled sections to all your contacts. Then after having done that, you now proceed and actually upload the CSV document by clicking on browse. Then once it reads there, you can actually upload the CSV. Then it will actually be part of your contacts in CloudBiz. So having gone through the contacts upload, then let's see now how to upload, how to now run the email campaigns. So now we'll go back to email campaign and click on run campaign. So as you may see, now the system does not prompt us to add contacts because we have actually added contacts to the system. So now it brings us to the page where now we can actually create and run campaigns. So then